Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I really do. The pigeon wants a puppy. A puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, don't worry, I will take care of it. I promise I will water it once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Oh, puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. Oof, what's that? Oof, oof. It is possible? Have my dream come true? Woof! Ah! It's huge! The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really? I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. The end. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, subscribe to my channel and press the thumbs up.